In this video, I'll show you how to swap crypto in Bitget Wallet step by step. First, open the Bitget Wallet app and unlock it. On the home screen, make sure you're in the correct wallet account and on the right network at the top, like Ethereum, BNB chain, or another chain you want to use. Also check that you have enough of the token you want to swap and a little native coin, such as ETH or BNB, to pay for gas fees. Next, tap the Swap or DEX button in the bottom menu or on the main screen. You'll see two fields, From and To. In the From field, select the token you want to swap out, for example, USDT. In the To field, choose the token you want to receive, like ETH or another supported coin on that network. Enter the amount you want to swap. Bitget Wallet will show you the estimated receive amount, price, and network fee. Review the details, and if there's a slippage option, leave it at the default unless you know what you're doing. When everything looks correct, tap Swap or Confirm, then approve the transaction. After it's confirmed on-chain, go back to your wallet home screen and you'll see the new token balance and the swap in your transaction history. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.